Determination of reduced level of given points by using dumpy level. Aim to determine the reduced level for the given points and to find the level difference between them. Instruments secured are dumpy level and staff.
The dumpy level consists of a tri-batch plate. So here we are having a triangular plate which is called as tri-batch plate. Over that 3 screws are being provided, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so 3 screws are arranged in triangular manner, and these screws are called as the foot screws. Over the foot screws lies the compass which shows the direction, and this is the telescope through which we are going to view. Okay, so the telescope consists of the eyepiece, the place where we see the object, and this is called as the objective, and objective consists of 2 crosshairs. So the crosshairs is used to find out the reading in the crossstaff. Should be placed in the place where we have to find out the level, and from the crossstaff reading we can find out the elevation of different points. This is the tripod stand, and first we have to set this tripod stand on the ground surface. It should be leveled by using the split level at the top. So the bubble should be at the center, and we have to adjust the foot screws. These are the foot screws. We have to adjust the foot screws to make the level at the same plane. That is, the level should be at a horizontal level. So we can adjust these 3 foot screws to make it horizontal. Then this is the eyepiece, and this is the objective. We have to see the crossstaff from the eyepiece, and the objective will have a crosshair, and the reading which coincides with the crosshair in the objective reading should be taken, and we have to mark the readings in the back side, intermediate side, as well as the in the foresight reading. So the benchmark should be recorded in the back side, and when we transfer the instrument it should be recorded in the foresight. All other readings should be recorded in the intermediate site.
Observation by height of collimation method. So the staff is first fixed at the benchmark, and the first reading is noted in a backside as 2.228 meter. Then in this point the reduced level of the point is considered as 100 meter. Then the other readings are noted in intermediate site. If the instrument is needed to change the other point, then the last reading is noted in the foresight. Thereby the staff is not moved at a point, then the instrument is set at other points, then the staff is set, the earlier point is noted as benchmark reading. The height of the instrument and the reduced levels can be calculated by height of instrument equal to reduced level plus backside, and the reduced level can be calculated by height of instrument minus intermediate site or height of instrument minus foresight. Thereby the height of instrument and reduced level columns are filled. Then the arithmetic check. The sum of backside minus sum of foresight is equal to last oral minus first oral. So the sum of backside is calculated as 5.962, and sum of foresight is calculated as 6.916. Then last oral reading is 99.048, and first oral reading is 100. Then the difference in elevation is noted as 0.952 in depression.